Middle East is a region where most of its country is lacking peace, acceptance and tolerance.
Do we want to enhance the problem or do we want to enhance the solution? Our presence here is just for a short period of time. We don't have to shorten it by fighting each other.
It's like we are all having an identity crisis. Who are we nowadays? Throughout the research, I came across this quote because I want to bring the quote on the Arab word. Mere tolerance does not cut it. We need to create an atmosphere of acceptance that embraces life in all its diversity. Middle East is a region where most of its country is lacking peace, acceptance and tolerance in an environment of hate. Unfortunately, that we are witnessing today in the region. How can we enjoy and embrace life?
So when there is strife, when there is war, when there is killing, this looks like ridiculous. But the question is just this: do we want to enhance the problem or do we want to enhance the solution? The solution is only when people become inclusive. Will it happen today or tomorrow or day after tomorrow or 1,000 years later, depends on how you and me live today. We may not see it, but we can start it.
Yeah, because your solution is part of individuals. They try to work together. Unfortunately, in these societies, it is very hard to work together. So this is most of the challenges that individuals and people are facing today. They are not winning. The inclusiveness that you are talking, the consciousness is really lacking in this area of the world.
That's why I'm saying, see, if you plant a tree, you may not go and sit under its shade. You may not get to eat the fruit because it takes a certain amount of time. But out of your love for life, you plant a tree. Next generation will enjoy it. Similarly, any great dimension of life, if you start, it will not get completed in your lifetime. If you start and set the right direction, the next generation will take it ahead. So our contribution is this, because as a generation we occupy this planet for a short period of time. Everybody must remember this. Our presence here is just for a short period of time. We don't have to shorten it by fighting each other.
This is the only thing we are doing today.